Good morning everyone. Today it's my third class of MBA semester number 1. The previous two classes I have already covered in the previous two videos, but the language in that video was Hindi. But I decided to make these videos in English because I will also be able to learn something new, because I have already a channel in which I have already made more than 480 videos in Hindi language. So I have decided to cover all these videos of my MBA journey in English to improve my English skills as well, which will be beneficial for me in my interviews and everywhere in corporate life also. I hope I will be learning something from each video. Today the three classes will be there of personality development, which is from 10 a.m. and then it will be of accounts from 11, and then at last it will be QT, that is quantitative techniques, which will be starting from 12 p.m. Today it's the semi-final match of India versus England, so I'm already very much excited about it, and Pakistans are already into the finals, so I hope that India also goes there and wins over Pakistan in the finals as well. The college from which I am completing my MBA is STEP HBTI, which stands for Science Technology Entrepreneur Park of Harcourt Butler Technical Institute. This is affiliated to AKTU, which is Abdul Kalam Technical University. I have to arrange for my documents like character certificate, migration certificate from my Royal Khan University, which is not that easy. I have to go to Bareilly as soon as possible, and I also have to pay my fee completely. I have already submitted 50,000 rupees and still 61,000 rupees is remaining, which I have to pay within a week. The total fees of this curriculum for 1 year is 1,12,000, and since I am a Kanpur localite, so I don't have to take any hostels or mess, so this is a bit more economical for me as compared to the institutes which are situated outside Kanpur. One of my friends posted on his Instagram story that India has to win on Sunday. If India has to lose, it can lose its match today so that it does not face the finals with Pakistan. Talking very much clearly about my previous two channels, they have good content, but because of a video which was posted by me on Achar Prashant, has maximum number of views and maximum number of subscribers are gained from that particular video. And the second channel, which was named as Vedantism, also is sort of based on Achar Prashant only. So this is my first channel which will not be containing any video or any vlog related to anybody else. It will be all about my own MBA journey. So I hope you guys will support me over here. And if you want to see my vlogs, my food vlogs, my exploring vlogs, my travel vlogs, my temple vlogs, you can visit the channel named as Real Vedant. I have also decided to post the short content in a channel named as Vedantism, so that the shorts which is getting more reach nowadays also gets promoted. I was not a big fan of making short content, but since the algorithms of Instagram and YouTube are themselves promoting short, I have to participate in short content also. This is my OOTD for today. I have not shared the details of this channel with anybody else because I want it to grow organically, because I don't want any of my friends to subscribe but later they don't have the time to watch the videos, because all of my friends in my friend circle are very much busy and doing something productive. So I have decided that it will grow organically. Currently I have 0 subscribers, 0 views, but I have posted 2 videos till now, the previous 2 classes, which are there in Hindi language. Studying in a highly reputed CBSE school also does not help in speaking English until unless you won't start speaking English. For example, I used to think that my English is pretty good, but the day I have started speaking English, I start stammering, I start to forget the vocabulary, I start to make grammatical errors. Although I know what is grammatically correct and what is not, but still when it's the case in which I have to speak in front of public or in front of camera in English, I make mistakes. So the logic behind this channel is also to practice, and which will make me a better person. I won't say that I will become perfect one day, but that's what I will be trying for next couple of years during my MBA journey, sharing my videos with you. Although I participated in many debates and speeches during my bachelor's life, but still when I was asked to tell something about myself in front of the class of my MBA, standing on the podium, my body language was very much poor according to my professor. Worst thing was I was not having much to speak. I spoke for 3-4 minutes, and after that I was like, bas ma'am, that's it from my side. But this is a topic on which no one else knows more than me about myself, but still. And then later I realized that I would have mentioned about my book, about my YouTube journey, about my everything, but I don't know why I forgot to speak in front of the class. Hi folks, so the class has been over. Now I am looking forward for India to win, so I have to rush back quickly. And in my Bareilly hostel, the person has come who has to pick up that geofiber device that he has to pick up, and so I have given him the number of my neighbor who lives in Bareilly. Today the new thing was extempore. We learned about extempore in our personality development. Something new for me. I got to know that we are given a new topic in which we have to speak on the spot. That means we will not be having time for preparation. I have an important phone call. I will be talking to you in the next video, or I will be talking to you later. Bye. I will not make. I will. I will be learning by. I hope I will be learning something new from something.